Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to hand spin in breakdance. Start by finding a suitable practice area, like a smooth linoleum floor or a dance mat. Ensure your clothing is comfortable and won't restrict movement. A thorough warm-up is crucial, focusing on your wrists, shoulders, and core to prevent injury. Begin by mastering the tuck position, bringing your head tightly to your chest, which is fundamental for a stable spin. Now, let's focus on hand placement. Your dominant hand should be flat on the ground, fingers spread wide for maximum stability. Place your non-dominant hand slightly behind it, ready to assist. Remember to keep your elbows slightly bent. This acts as a natural shock absorber. Use a strong push-off from your feet to initiate a smooth, controlled rotation, keeping your body compact. As you spin, maintaining a tight tuck is paramount. Keep your head and knees drawn in close to your body, forming a compact shape. Engage your core muscles to keep your body rigid and balanced throughout the spin. Generate continuous momentum by pushing off the ground with your hands in a circular motion. Focus on achieving a consistent, controlled spin before attempting to increase your speed. To finish your spin, gradually extend your limbs to slow down and control your landing. Regular practice is key. Aim for several short, focused sessions each week rather than one long one. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas where you can improve your form and technique. Remember, patience and persistence are vital. Mastering the handspin takes dedicated time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.